Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Taurus. I'll be picking few cards. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So we have Two of Wands, Moon in reverse and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, Taurus, maybe certain things in your career or certain things in your life, it may not go up to expectation, guys. Maybe some difficulties, some stress because of that. And there are people in your situation, maybe you are expecting some answers, but you are not getting those answers. So it is really difficult for you. It may be something to do in your career situation, guys. Maybe you are expecting the outcome for something, maybe some projects or some financial investments, whatever it is. So some kind of confirmation, you are not getting that and you are waiting for that. You have done a lot of work for that and it is really difficult. So the reasons may be some mistakes on your part or mistakes of people who are with you, guys. So that may be the reason things are not going as expected in your situation today, guys, Taurus. So you would have had faith on certain things, maybe some paths to unfold, some opportunities to unfold for you, but that is not what is happening. So your hope and faith has been broken today. That again is giving you a lot of worry in your situation, sad and stressed because of that. And I see that you are a very courageous person. You have that confidence in your heart, and you are a person who is in an important position in life. Maybe you are a team leader or manager, someone who is making some important authoritative decisions today. And you know what is the right path to success. You have that powerful character, personality, and you're making important decisions. You are influencing people with you in a very positive way. And maybe for some of you, the way you work or the way you go about your actions, it may be something right. You may be doing the right things, but the way you do it, some people, they may consider you as an authoritarian person trying to dominate them in some ways. So you need to be really careful, guys, Taurus. This energy, it may be your energy in this love or in your work situation, or it may be this person's energy, guys. So you should not let your power or your position to cloud your judgment. So you should have that clarity of thought. So that is what I see. So your power and your position should not influence your important decisions. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy, so that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of Water, Magician, and Hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So You have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.